In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up online banking with Sutton Bank. Setting up online banking is an efficient way to manage your finances conveniently from home or anywhere else with internet access. So let's dive into the process together. To begin, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. Once it's open, head to the Sutton Bank website. You can find it by typing Sutton Bank into your search engine, or you can enter the URL directly to navigate straight to the homepage. When you arrive, you'll see that the homepage gives you access to a wide array of services, but for this tutorial, we're going to focus on setting up your online banking. Next, move your cursor over to the top menu and find the tab labeled Personal. This section is where Sutton Bank offers various personal banking services, and it's exactly where you need to go to start managing your personal financial accounts online. After clicking on Personal, your next step is to look for the Blue Chip Money Market account. This particular account is noted for its competitive interest rates and convenient management tools, perfect for maximizing your savings while keeping track of all your finances in one place. Click on the Blue Chip Money Market account link. Once on the account page, you'll see various pieces of key information detailing the benefits and terms of the account. When you're ready to proceed, search for the Apply Now button, usually highlighted to catch your attention. Clicking this button will commence your application process. The next slide will prompt you to enter your email address. Make sure to type it accurately to avoid any mishaps or delays in the application process. Double check for any typos before clicking out of the input box. You'll then be asked to confirm your email by typing it again into a second field. This step ensures that your primary point of contact during the setup process is both confirmed and accurate. It's a simple way to verify your intention and keep you updated on any communications from Sutton Bank. Once you've confirmed your email, you will find the option to Start a New Application. Click on this to kick off the application process officially. From here, you'll follow guided instructions to fill out your personal information, verify your identity, and complete the setup for your online banking account. Success! You've now learned how to set up your online banking with Sutton Bank. This process not only allows for secure access to your account around the clock, but it also offers you a streamlined way to stay on top of your financial health. Thanks for following along, and enjoy managing your finances the easy way.